Welcome to the Power of Goals. Today, we'll explore the transformative force of setting goals. When you set a goal, you ignite a powerful force within you, propelling you towards success. But what makes goal setting so influential? It's like aligning the compass of your life towards a specific destination, creating laser-sharp clarity that guides you forward. Clear, well-defined goals act as unwavering beacons, drawing remarkable individuals towards their achievements. The path to achieving these goals is not always smooth, but it's in overcoming these obstacles that the concept of continuous improvement and growth emerges. By persistently setting and conquering new goals, you elevate your success and undergo profound personal growth. Setting clear and achievable goals is paramount. They offer direction, focus, and sculpt a roadmap for your aspirations. How can you ensure that your goals possess this magnetic pull? Let's explore this further by examining the stories of individuals who embodied the power of goal setting. Take the renowned inventor, Thomas Edison, for instance. His unwavering goal to create a long-lasting electric light source led him through thousands of failed attempts before he finally succeeded. Now, let's address the challenges in setting and achieving goals. It's essential to acknowledge that the journey is lined with obstacles, self-doubt, and the fear of failure. One effective strategy to navigate through these challenges is to break your larger goals into smaller, manageable milestones. Additionally, surrounding yourself with a supportive network and seeking guidance from mentors can provide invaluable encouragement and direction. Setting goals is not merely a task. It's a transformative force that shapes your journey and guides you towards the life you desire. Setting a goal triggers a powerful cognitive process, creating heightened focus and concentration. The brain releases neurotransmitters like dopamine, known as the feel-good chemical, when you make progress towards your goal, reinforcing the drive to accomplish the set goal. Moreover, the act of setting a goal stimulates the reticular activating system, RAS, in your brain, directing your attention to elements that are relevant to your goal. This heightened awareness can lead you to discover new paths and connections that support your journey. The psychology of goal setting not only influences your conscious thoughts and actions, but also shapes your subconscious mind. By consistently visualizing and affirming your goals, you embed them into your subconscious, creating a powerful undercurrent that propels you towards their attainment. Consider the remarkable journey of Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul and philanthropist. Her unwavering goal to create a platform for authentic storytelling and empowerment led her to overcome numerous personal and professional challenges. It's not just about achieving external success. It's about undergoing a personal transformation that shapes your character and influences those around you. When crafting your goals, make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. Visualize your goals as already accomplished, tap into the subconscious mind, and maintain a growth mindset to navigate through challenges and setbacks. Sharing your goals with a trusted friend, family member, or mentor can create a sense of external accountability, solidifying your commitment and opening the door for support and encouragement. Setting goals isn't just about achieving external milestones. It's about sculpting the trajectory of your life and fostering personal evolution. By understanding the psychology behind goal setting, exploring real-life examples, and embracing practical strategies, you unlock the transformative force that propels you towards success. Thank you for joining us on the Power of Goals. Until next time, keep igniting the force within you and reaching for the extraordinary.